Hello everyone, I am PD with you in room 322. Today we learn how to create alternate dimension. In my previous video, I have already shown you how to create new dimension style. First draw one or two dimension, then go to dimension style manager. Select your dimension style and go to modify. Here you find primary units which I have set to architectural. Go to alternate units and tick the checkbox display alternate units. Alternate multiplier units 25.4 for millimeter scale. Set unit format as decimal for millimeter or meter scale. Now you can see you get your alternate dimension style. Let's have a check. 5 feet, so 5 into 12, so you get 60 inches into 25.4, 1 inch equal to 25.4 millimeter. So everyone, we get our alternate millimeter style. Let's give it a name. Add millimeter in suffix. So everyone, this is how to create alternate dimension. Similarly, we can create alternate dimension for meter scale. Just change the multiplier for alternate units and change the suffix to meter. Here you get your alternate dimension in meter. Now I will show how to align dimension text in dimension. Draw another dimension vertically. Now we will align the text with dimension line. Here you get your aligned dimension text. So everyone, now you can try yourself. So everyone, keep watching Room 322, keep practicing, enhance your skills. I will be back very soon with a new video.